Participles and gerunds. Participles. A participle is a word formed from a verb which can be used as an adjective. Example: the dying man was taken to the hospital. Here the dying qualifies the noun man, verb die plus ing. Such adjectives formed form verbs with the help of the suffix ing are usually called present participles. Note: many ing adjectives are formed from a prefix plus a verb, like outstanding success. Out plus stand equals very good. Out is a prefix. Stand is a verb. Past participle usually ending ed, d, t, en, n. Examples: the wounded tiger left a trail of blood. Here wounded qualifies the noun tiger. It is a past participle. Verb wound plus ed. The past participle form is also used with other helping verbs to form the perfect tenses. The hunter had only wounded the tiger. Past perfect, had plus wounded. Gerund. The ing form of a verb may also be used as a noun. Example: reading is a good habit. Here reading is the subject of the verb. So, it is acting as a noun, and it is formed from the verb read plus ing. A gerund is also known as a verbal noun, for it can take an object like a verb.